Hey y'all. Hey y'all. So my sister hasn't washed her hair in like a month.
It ain't been that long.
It's been close to a month. She had put some gel in her hair and she had like a lot of buildup from the gel. It's gone. It's not there anymore. And so I use cast dill soap first, like Dr. Bronner's. That's what I use pretty much on everybody. It's a mix of almond, peppermint, and tea tree because I feel like those are some good combinations for hair and scalp. And then after that, I use this shampoo, which is the charcoal detox shampoo. It worked well. It got some good lather and stuff. And then after that, I'll shampoo her hair again just because, like I said, she has some buildup. And then this one's the ACV one, detox. I use that one. And so I'm gonna use the other products. The charcoal one the first time I washed her hair. And again, it's, you know, same thing. Shampoos are shampoos. Would you agree shampoos are shampoos?
For the most part.
Now I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this as a leave-in conditioner because I didn't use a cream-based conditioner because I've been noticing with my other clients that they get built up when I use traditional conditioners. So I've been trying to stray away from that and use some alternatives. Usually I use rose water. Oh, you got regular rose water?
In the car.
Okay. Well, she got rose water, so I'm about to, yeah, you can get it. Cause usually I just mix up my own rose water. I have rose water concentrate, essential oil, and I mix that with water and just make my own rose water. But this is a little bit of the Pravana leave-in conditioner. I was down in the bottle, so I just added it to this water bottle, and then I just been adding water to it as the water goes down. It's kind of leave-in-ish, and it also has some of the rose water concentrate in there too. All right, so we got some rose water. Rose water is rose water though. I'm gonna use this as her leave-in because we don't want no buildup. And I'm also gonna use this other one too. Touch. This made her hair feel good too. Both the combination doesn't feel as crunchy. And then I'm gonna use we'll add this when we get done. I did like this oil. How did you feel about this oil? You've used a lot of it. Talk to the camera, tell it and speak up.
I use the oil. It's pretty light, so that makes it a lot easier to put it on, and I don't feel like it's super heavy. I do my moisturizer routine during the week.
That's an update on the oil. I don't use these products because I have loose hair. I'll be using all kind of different stuff. We're gonna use the mousse because I like the mousse a lot. And it looked like you didn't got down through this mousse too.
Well, I just be putting it on my edges.
Okay, so it's good as an edge tamer.
And then when I retwisted my hair myself, I use that and some of that oil.
So she used the oil and this combined. And when she retwisted her hair, I thought she went to somebody else and got her hair done. I was like, you get some. Who retwisted you? So it does a good job apparently because it fooled me enough. And yeah, we're gonna get started. Cause you know I got bars on the windows. Anyway, you're in the hood now, baby. Alright, so we done with her retwist. Turn your head a little to the side. Everything looks good. I used a little bit of lock-in gel in the front because I wanted her. She going out of town. It's gonna be her birthday, so I want her to be a little pop. Say happy early birthday or late birthday because I probably ain't gonna upload this when it's time. But now we about to use this oil.
Oh, I will say one thing about that oil that's weird is it almost has like a soapy texture when you pour some in your hands. It has a lather to it.
That's interesting. Did you is that how you've always, did you use the nozzle in?
Yeah, I use it. I just pour some in my hand and
like it through in.
Yeah, or even if I just put some on my scalp and then go like that, it makes like a shh sound.
It makes a sound?
Like a soap sound. You hear it?
Yeah. Maybe you guys can, I'm gonna bring you in, maybe you can hear it. Oh yeah. It does, look, it's bubbling. I was up 2 hours on this bottom one. Let me go down here so y'all can see it good. So you see I just put a little drop of oil. I'll rub it in right here. See, it is bubbling. Hopefully it's not too exposed and you guys can see that. That's interesting. I don't know what would cause that though, because like literally the ingredients are just like normal oil ingredients.
And that's what I thought too.
Maybe the horsetail, maybe? That's the only thing that's like kind of abstract in terms of the ingredients. So overall, would you repurchase these products? Or was there certain ones that you would repurchase, or?
Maybe some of them. I kind of want to see how it is like after doing the detox to see if maybe they respond differently.
We haven't done any detox. Her locks is the same since she got them. Or have you done the detox?
No, they have one, but I just haven't used it.
Her locks haven't ever been detoxed before. Kind of don't really need it like that much. You don't have like rings build up on your hair, so usually that's when people need a detox. Like a lot of product build up, you don't have none of that. Do like something that's like to the side. What side would you rather it be to the side to?
Probably this way, because I always part my hair on this side, so I need to give it a little
okay. I can
wrist. Let me try to switch the parts there.
You should. So nobody want traction alopecia.
Okay.
And that's what you're gonna get if you wear your hair the same all the time. That's what I be trying to get. I don't be trying to do a straight bust down the middle part. I be trying to switch it up, put a little zigzag or a little something in there. I don't want my hair to be gone. We all done. Yeah, you got these gray hairs.